Welcome to the lifetime of opulence and luxury. Today, we are at Today Royal Groups presenting IKEM, located in the heart and prestige of Upper Kharghar. With a legacy of over 30 years, 50 plus projects इन्होंने deliver किया है, around 50,000 square feet इन्होंने deliver किया है. Apart from that, they have a legacy of delivering their projects in under the timeline. और ये project का भी possession is in the coming year March. Apart from that, talking about the project, it is in affordable rates. Whole land parcel of around 3 acres जिसमें आपको मिल रहे हैं 4 towers with a G+14 story building. Apart from that, यहाँ पर 519 in total आपको flats मिल जाते हैं. Talking about now the connectivity, so as I have already mentioned that it is in the heart of Upper Kharghar. That means it is very well located location जिसमें आपका NH48 national highway यहाँ से सिर्फ 2 to 3 minutes drive है. Apart from that, आपको अमनदूत metro station भी यहाँ से सिर्फ 5 minutes आपको walking distance पे मिल जाएगा. Apart from that, जो हमारा upcoming metro station है जो आप कल्याण to अमनदूत connect करता है, that is also at a distance of 5 minutes. And schools and colleges like BDA Somani and NMIMS भी यहाँ से approximately 5 minutes के distance पर है. सत्य सेठ हॉस्पिटल एंड टाटा हॉस्पिटल भी यहाँ से 7 minutes के distance पर है. BKC2 सेंट्रल पार्क और गोल्फ कोर्स भी यहाँ से सिर्फ 7 to 8 minutes के distance पर है. So हमारा ये well located location की मैंने बात की है. Now I will give you the project overview. So this is a whole driveway, आपके पूरे driveway आपको project में मिल जाता है. Moving on. So आपको 2 levels की यहाँ पर podium parking मिलती है and at your podium level आपको पूरा amenities area मिलता है जिनको उन्होंने name किया है Club Admin. And यहाँ पर आपको 46,000 square feet का club house मिल रहा है in which you get many amenities including half Olympic size swimming pool, jogging track, kids play area, banquet hall, multi-purpose hall, dining sitting areas. This is a very well planned and well put project and I have given you the project overview, amenities, connectivity and the legacy of the developer. Now I shall take you to the sample flat. Let's go. So we are getting into our 4.5 BHK sample flat and ये है हमारा spacious and huge living area sized 300 square feet. इतने बड़े living room का with your dining area ये पूरा size आता है 300 square feet and the total carpet area of the house is 1180 square feet. So moving on, as you can see यहाँ पर आपने देख लिया हमारा long and huge L-shaped couch and TV set आ जाता है with here in this sample flat आपको मिल जाती है अपनी walking balcony space which is again also very long and huge. So this is our dining area right next attached to your living room. यहाँ पर आपका humongous dining set भी आ जाता है and right next we have our kitchen. Here as you can see here they have placed it in a double platform kitchen way. आप भी ऐसे ही अपना kitchen decorate कर सकते हैं, stylize कर सकते हैं with modular fittings and यहाँ पर आपको मिल जाती है full length windows with a utility area. ये utility area के बाहर भी आपको space मिलती है so that later on if you want you can make a walking balcony space throughout your house. Here comes our freshen up area. As you can see you'll get the space for it. Now getting into our common bedroom number 1, well utilized common bedroom as you can see for your guests or kids, full length windows and यहाँ पर आपको space मिल रही है बाहर so that you can make your walking balcony throughout. तो इतनी लंबी आपकी पूरी one way balcony बन जाएगी throughout your house. Now let's move on. The floor to ceiling height of this house is 10 feet. Starting from our foyer area comes our master bedroom number 1. So this house that is 4.5 is a butterfly layout. तो पहले आपको मैं ये side का बताती हूँ, then we'll move to the other side. So again we are entering our very spacious master bedroom number 1. As you can see, यहाँ पर आपको wardrobe space मिल रही है and full length windows for ventilation. So as you can see, from here you will get the amenities का view of the whole society from this end and also you can get from the other end you will get the Upper Kharghar का view with an attached washroom as come in premium fittings and branded tilings ऐसे ही आपको मिलेगी. Moving on. So now we are going across the living room to the other side of the house. As I have mentioned that this is a butterfly layout house. Now this is our USP. Again as you can see this we are entering in the extra room that is in the 4.5 के layout में ये आपका extra room है. आप इसे अपने storage में convert कर सकते हैं और even your पूजा घर can be situated here. Apart from that it also comes with a soft wall. So if you want and if requirement नहीं है 4.5 की तो 4 BHK में भी आप इसे convert कर सकते हैं ना bigger space room. Here comes our common washroom for our guests and other family members. Again, well utilized and compact spaces. Right next, we have our washing machine area, जहाँ आप इसे convert कर सकते हैं storage space also. Right here, we have our common bedroom number 2. So butterfly layout में अब हम आ गए हैं इस side में, the same as common bedroom number 1. Same space and well utilized full length windows. यहाँ से भी आप अपना balcony space connect कर सकते हैं. So it will be a full long balcony. Starting from our foyer area, we are entering to our master bedroom number 2 and the final bedroom of this apartment. This is our spacious master bedroom number 2. Wardrobe space given, full length windows and आपकी walking balcony यहाँ तक attach हो जाएगी. So this is our master bedroom number 2. Comes with our attached washroom, vitrified tiling, branded fittings. आपको ऐसी ही मिल जाएगी अपने washroom में. This was our 4.5 BHK and यहाँ पर 2, 2.5, 3.5 and 4.5 BHKs available है. Pricing for the same is starting from 2 BHK starting from 60 lakhs and 4.5 or 4 BHK starting from 1.20 CR plus taxes. So this was our pricing. For booking purpose and more information, please contact us on the given details below. Until next time, thank you.